A California law grad is suing his school. He and others claim the college practically guaranteed they would find him a job as a lawyer. But after months of searching without results, he filed suit against the school for misleading him. Does he have a case? Let's bring in our legal guys. Avery Friedman is a civil rights attorney and law professor. Richard Herman is a criminal defense attorney and law professor. Good to see both of you. So I'm sure you guys have some very strong opinions about this, given you are grads of law school. So according to our research, these lawsuits are being dismissed across the country. Apparently, there are at least 6 states that have similar class action suits, and all stemming from the case of Michael Lieberman, who is suing Southwestern Law School. He says they advertised that 97% of the grads would be employed within 9 months of graduation. He was looking for a job, as have a number of others. So, Richard, you first. Is that argument enough? Kind of false advertisement is the problem here, he says?
Well, the problem is fraudulent inducement. I mean, Fred, law school is a business, and they charge these students upwards of maybe $75,000 to $100,000 for a 3-year Juris Doctor degree. Now, if the school tells you before you come in, we're telling you we have a 97% within 9 months, you're going to get a job within 9 months, and 97% of our graduates get those jobs. That induces you to pay that fee. Now you go to law school, you graduate, and you can't get a job, so they lied to you. Yes, they have a lawsuit. And in California, they got very strong consumer protection laws. Fred, I think they have a viable lawsuit here. I think the university is going to have to pay, yes.
Oh, my goodness. Then why is it being dismissed in some places, Avery?
For good cause. Look, this isn't welding school, for goodness sakes. This is a profession. And whether a law school is out there marketing about what % of their class gets a job, first of all, none of those statistics until a recent ABA change in the law said anything about what they're doing. There's some guy folding shirts in the basement of Macy's. Yeah, he's got a job. I don't think there's fraudulent inducement. Who the heck goes to law school based on those kind of representations? This is a profession, Frederica. Federal courts in Michigan, New York have thrown these cases out. Yes, I agree. There are consumer laws in California that are tougher. I don't think the case is going anywhere.
And so according to our reporting, California Southwestern Law School says that it does follow the American Bar Association's requirements. So they say, you know, they're not culpable necessarily if you're unable to kind of land a job. So what will this case and the other cases in the 6 other states need to continue to be viable? You know, how can they continue to argue their case that, you know, the school is at fault for them not landing a job, Richard?
Yeah, it's basic fraud, Fred. I mean, I think Avery's wrong. That case in New York that was dismissed is on appeal right now. Listen, you can't make promises to people about employment, especially in this economy where people have choices. They don't have to go to law school. But if the school is saying, listen, we're telling you 97% get jobs in the legal industry, and you go to that law school and it's not 97, it's below 50%, that's fraud. Come on, that's recoverable, there's damages, it's basic fraud law. This is a live lawsuit in California.